Desert Storm, baby.
Yo, Pooh.
New Jadakiss.
Mornings was hash browns.
DJ Clues.tv, part 1, y'all.
Yeah,
Let's go.
niggas. Yeah. Yo, I can have a brand new start again. As long as LA ain't cheap with the marketing. As long as my fan base know I'm a part of them. Speak from the heart again. Low button down with the cardigan. 1.5 with the grain, half moon part again. Stayed on top cause I outsmarted them. Everybody's a rat. Guess this is the part of then. Political forever, but it's back to the art again. Blessing your speaker. The dope costs less cause it's weaker. My hustle game was best off the beeper. Out in the world, nigga won't hug you. Over the phone in jail, he tell you that he love you. Probably go further and get a nigga to plug you. Murder in the first, it's nothing for me to snub. Had me going to court the whole last year. One layer player over the cashmere. Different type of nigga, I love what y'all fear. Different type of money, come get it, it's right here. 50% is ass, 50% is queer. So that's why whenever you see me, I'm over there. Whole nother bracket, full metal, whole nother jacket. Kill him twice, whole nother ratchet. Little niggas be so faded, they don't even know the dope fiends relocated. The hood is like tires that need to be rotated. And high speed balance, getting money's a high speed challenge. Come on nigga, why you think I speak balance? Party with gorillas and killers that move silent. 25 to life or a casket, you lose talent. Loaded 45 in a mask, now Duke Stalin. That's only for a minute till they troop him to the island and the Bloods tear him up or the Brooklyn niggas a pound. Know my style, like to leave him like I found him. Broad day on his block, leaking like a fountain. Don't make sense for Obama to win. Hillary getting the votes from your mama and them. And these niggas is finished.